And here we are again at the charts. This is, what is it? Star Life Trading. Phil C here with you. Yeah, for another session. This is going to be a shorter one. There's already some updates where, I've updated everyone on what's happening. Now, let's just run through a couple of things throughout the portfolio here that we're looking at. We are off to a tremendous start this month, which has been good. So we are up 195 pips so far. What am I trading? Pattern trades. That is what I'm looking for, opportunity wise. So let's take a look at the euro dollar. So yesterday I was looking at a pattern right here in front of us. Didn't get involved, wasn't here to catch it, but that's okay. Sometimes this works out. Sometimes missing trades works out in your favor, and sometimes it doesn't, which I'll get to in a moment, because I missed out on a couple of winners as well. So could have been, but we're not going to live in coulda land, are we? No. We caught this late. I caught this late. This is euro dollar 1 hour time frame. Bat pattern right here. Now the reason why this is good that I caught this late is this pattern closed above our X point looking left. When that happens, that means that this trade is no longer valid anymore. That's it. Finito. Finished. Invalid trade. When it's an invalid trade, we take off our drawing tools and then we look for the next potential opportunity. So if I take that off here and then put this structure level back like so, this is where I expect price action to test next. So price action is looking to come all the way down. We may not get there, may pause right here at this level. May not get there, but I'm expecting price action to move all the way down into this level right here. And what I would want to do is wait to see if price action moves, ebbs and flows, in a sense of setting up a potential pattern opportunity for us to look at and get involved with. So nothing going on with the euro dollar right now. So yeah, off to a really good start. 195 pips. We'll take those for the month of March. Looking pretty good. Let's jump over to the euro yen. Now, I just mentioned that sometimes catching a trade late works out. This time it didn't. So we did miss out on an opportunity here. I have been watching it. I've been watching price action move all the way down. Now I was waiting for another retest up here and I could have got involved, right? Why do I miss these things? Because I'm busy. I'm doing lots of other things inside the business, getting things ready, organizing workshops, doing PowerPoints, recording other content for the members area, dealing with clients, doing, lots of other things. So it's difficult sometimes to always be watching candle per candle. So I do my best. That is what I'm trying to say. So I did though. I watched it. And I'm waiting for price action to come all the way up to retest these highs to then get involved. But I didn't get the opportunity to do that. And price action came down, hit the 382, and then it also hit the 618. And then it might also hit the 618. So missed out on a potential 1 or 2 target right there. And what is it really? Well, it would be from this swing high to this swing low. So Fibonacci retracement, swing high to swing low, like this. And then price action comes all the way down and then comes all the way up. So this would be the B point, and then comes all the way down. So another fib like this comes all the way down, hitting the 382, and then CD completion all the way up here, and then we miss out. Yeah, you know, them the breaks. That's what happens. But then I updated last night. I updated this last night. This was a winning trade in here. We caught the little one, right down here. We caught the little one. So we came up, hit the 886, and then we came down, hit the 382. And then unfortunately we got stopped out for break even on target 2. But at least we caught that one. That's good. That's important. Right now on the Euro Yen 1 hour, there's nothing that I want to pay attention to here either. Which means go to the pound dollar. Yesterday we've been in this trade. Yesterday we finally hit target 2 today, right? So we came all the way up, hit target 1, and then we had a little bit of a pullback here, like this. Where do we pull back into? Structure looking left, right at this level. And then we get another move up. And when we got that move up, it hit our target 2, which is good. We will take that. That's a big trade. That's 151 pip move right here, so that's wonderful. And then there was another opportunity that I missed out on. So there was an entry point right here, and then it already came down and hit target 1 at the 382. So, you know, I missed out on this opportunity as well. That's another 45 pips. It's another 45 pips. Here's the reality of trading. If you've been doing it long enough, you'll experience this. You'll find that you'll miss these pattern opportunities, or whatever strategy that you're trading. You'll find that you'll miss these opportunities that end up hitting target 1 and target 2. And then what ends up happening is the next 2 to 3 trades that you see, identify, and then get involved with, they end up hitting your loss. That does happen. And you'll never ever, I'm just saying it right now, okay? Because if you are experiencing this, as a professional trader, we experience that as well, all the time. That actually never leaves you, by the way. That will happen all the time. And really, it's just put down as the cost of doing business. That's it. It's a cost of opportunity, right? We can't be everywhere at once. The evolution of AI, maybe that's a good thing for us to capture every single opportunity, right? But this right now, as it stands, currently missed a couple of trades. Don't let it bother you. It's all right. It's fine. Why is that? Because at the end of the year, you know, with daily disciplines, every single day, trading the plan, that you're going to be profitable. And by knowing that and doing the best that you can to the best of your ability will help you maintain a positive state, known as state management. So that's good. But, you know, I'm not trying to kid anyone here. I mean, it does suck. It's not great. But yeah, you'll miss out on a couple of potential profitable, you'll miss out on profitable trades, and then the next trades that you get involved with stop you out. And, you know, it does suck. But it happens to all of us. It's all right. Don't worry. So here, after we hit double targets, we get rid of the drawing tools, and then we look for the next pattern opportunity. Now that we just came up here, sending wedge pattern right here. Yeah, now that we came up 886 and then came down into the 382 for that trade, there's nothing else that I want to pay attention to unless we get another move up into 2128. Then I'm looking for a potential sell up at this structure level right here. But that's pound dollar 1 hour, pound yen. I jumped down on the 15 minute. There's nothing that I can grab here at all that captures my interest. Dollar yen, found something here. Gartley, deep Gartley. We had a Fibonacci retracement. Swing low to swing high, we have a 618. I'm looking at Fibonacci's full leg of the move right here. Looking at a 382 and a 618. Risk to reward is 1-to-1, target 1. So that's dollar yen 1 hour time frame, looking at a potential Gartley pattern right here if then syntax. If we get a move all the way down into this level right here, that will trigger our entry orders for this Gartley, and we'll be involved in this trade as well. This is another winning trade, Aussie dollar. Just shy of target 2s. Price action comes all the way up. Just shy of target 2 here at the 618. Then the RBA cash rate comes out. Fundamental news comes out and says, I don't think so. And then it completely just falls off. And just mute that, excuse me. And completely falls off right there. But we did have target 1. We took off half of our position. We rolled stops to break even. And now, just shy of target 2. Stop down at break even. Price action moves all the way down. Closing below these lows, looking left. Oops. These lefts right here. These lefts. This left right here. And then we get another move up, retesting this structure level right here. Okay. What does price action do? We get another leg down. And we get another lower low, lower close right here. So, students of structure, what is price action most likely to do at this level? Well, we're looking for a retest back up into this structure level right here. Okay. And we continue to read the ebbs and flows of the market. We continue to read, right, until price action tells us what to trade, which means price action sets up a move in the form of a pattern opportunity that's in our trade plan that we want to execute every single time it presents itself. Therefore, to say, we wait and we be patient, and price action will tell us when to trade. And this is known as waiting for the markets to come to you by being patient. And that's exactly what we're going to do on the Aussie dollar, right? So if something develops from here, we keep an eye on it, we keep watching it. If something develops from here, then we will get involved when we can. Aussie yen is the same thing. Came up and hit 382. Excuse me. Came up and hit the 382, then took off half position. Rolled stops to break even. Falls off cliff because of the fundamental RBAs. And, you know, stopped out for break even. Made a bit of profit on this, and then we completely drop again. Where is price action most likely to go to? Right here. Previous structure level. This low right here. This low right here. Oops. like this. Okay. Let's put that there. Anticipating this structure level like here. And then we might get a move down and then another move up, giving us a W formation. And maybe a potential bat or Gartley or Cipher or something that we can then put our money at risk, because that's the exciting part and that's what we want to do. Kiwi dollar still currently in this one. Kiwi dollar still currently in this trade. At least this one didn't get RBA'd, because that's the Aussie. This one here, we come up, hit target 1, 382. Excuse me, guys. And then we come down a little bit, right? And then we come up a little bit. And what we're looking for is a little bit more up into the 618 for target 2. What happens? What happens there? Well, using the if-then syntax, yes, again, if price action moves to the 382, then we take off half of the position, we roll stops to break even, as you can see right here. That is what we do. We come up and hit target 1 at the 382, half of the position gets taken off, stops roll to break even, and now we're looking for a move up into the 618, and that is it. You don't touch it. You don't play with it. You don't muck around. You don't move anything. You wait and be patient. Patterns pay and patience pays. So it's important to wait. Yes, it is. Because your job is done. That's it. You identified the trade, you followed the rules, and now you just wait. Because the trade is going to do one or two things from here. It's either going to hit our targets or it's going to hit our stop. That's it. There's nothing else more to do. Once price action does that, then we delete the drawing tools and we start the process all over again. And we look for the next trading opportunity. So that's basically it for my portfolio. Yeah, going on about 17 minutes now because I say the same thing over and over again, round and round. All right, let me do that. Until next time, be safe, enjoy life. Talk to you soon.